Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you what you must follow to promote Digistore 24 product with paid traffic. Actually, I create a video about how to find a high quality product. I will put that video link on description and watch that video. If you didn't watch that video, first watch that video and find high quality products. After you find high quality products, don't try to promote those products with paid traffic without doing those steps that I am going to share on this video. So I assume now you have the high quality product to promote. So let's get examples as this is one of high quality product, and let's get this one as the second high quality product. Now if you try to promote any product, you have to get the risks, because if something goes wrong, you will end up with losing all of your money. So you have to get idea about the product and which kind of paid promotions will suitable for this product. To do that, we have to contact the owners of those product and get the affiliate support. So you can find their support emails on the affiliate support page. In this Metrico product, you can their email in here. If I scroll down, in this tube mastery and monetization by Matt per product, you can find their emails on the affiliate support page. So I will click on affiliate support page, and now let's scroll down. Okay, here is the email to contact Matt. So now you have to send specific emails to those affiliate products owners, because this money is yours and you are getting the risk to promote their product. So you have to contact those people and get more information about their product. So I will give you the email. So I will show you the email copy that I sent to those people if I try to promote their product. So next thing is, when you contact those people, if they are not reply to your emails within 1 week, at least within 1 week, don't try to promote their product, because they are just people who try to promote low quality product and earn money. If they have a high quality product, they will reply to your email and they will consider you as a legit affiliate who try to promote their product. But if they don't reply you back 90%, that is the first thing you must consider, because if they treat this affiliate marketing or affiliate product as a business, they must have to get assistance to reply to their emails. If they don't reply you back, that means it's a low quality product. So don't try to promote low quality products and waste your money. So now I will show you the email template that I use to send for those affiliate support if I try to promote their product. So I get this information from the YouTube channel called Michel Olivier. So he share high quality content about digital marketing, and there has ton of values on his videos. I highly recommend you to check his videos. So let's find out the email template. First, here is the subject: promote product name with Facebook ad. So you can replace this Facebook part with your promotional media. As example, if you try to promote this product with Google ads, you can replace this with Google ads. But in this example, let's get it as the Facebook. So the subject line will be promote product name. So let's get an example product. I will get the example product as Metico. So I copy it and paste it here. So now our product is Metico. So promote Metico with Facebook ad. Now the body is, hello, I am planning to promote your product with Facebook ad, and I have few questions about the product name. So replace this product name with Metico. And number one is, does affiliate successfully promote product name? Product name in example product and is Metico. So does affiliate successfully promote Metico via Facebook ad without getting any issues? So this is the most important question, because some products are not allowed to promote on platforms like Facebook. So especially if you promote product related to dating, love and relationship or weight loss, you must consider a lot of things before you promote those products on paid traffic. So ask this question: if other people successfully promote this product, that means you can promote it too. And the second question is, if yes, can you send me some resources or sample Facebook ad copies to get inspiration? In here you can verify they actually promote the product on Facebook ads or Google ads, because if they actually promote the product or other affiliates successfully promote the product, they will send you some samples or resources that can use to promote affiliate product on the Facebook ad. So the next question is, what demography? Actually this must be like this: location, what demography, age, gender, location, and you can add more information in here, are currently working the best. That means some products only buy from female users, some products only buy from males, and some products buy from both males and females, but age may be 25 to 30. So you must get those type of information, because it will help you to get understand about the audience, and you can narrow down the audience by adding those information. As the fourth question asks, what kind of ad creative working best? That means if you try to promote product on Google ads, you can promote it on YouTube skippable ads and Google search result ad, and lot of kind of ways. But you have to understand what is the best creative to promote the product. As example, if you try to run Facebook ad, you can run it on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and there has lot of option that you can choose. So they will give you the best place to add your ad. So in that way you will be able to make some sales by position your ad on the right place. This will be the fifth question, not fourth question. And the fifth question is it possible to have a commission bump? That means if they only give you low commission bump, it's not worth to promote the product. So you can ask increasement of commission bump. When I asked this question from the affiliate owners, they told me they will give you the commission bump if you make consistent sales. So ask this question, maybe they will give you commission bump. And here are the questions that you should ask. And after that, hope to hear from you soon, and so that we can start a business relationship and make lot of sales together. So this is the simple email template. Change this email template according to your promotion and according to the product. Also ask more questions about the product, and this is the really important part you must follow before promote any Digistore product with paid traffic. And I hope you get valuable information. So if yes, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to find out this type of content. And